Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 9th May 2024. The government aims to increase India's annual defence production to nearly 3 times its current level, reaching rupees 3 lakh crore by 2028-29. Additionally, the target for defence exports is set to more than double, reaching rupees 50,000 crore compared to the current rupees 21,083 crore. For the fiscal year 2024-25, the goal is to achieve a total annual defence production worth rupees 1,75,000 crore, including exports valued at rupees 35,000 crore. The Reserve Bank of India has proposed stringent new rules for project finance, aiming to minimize risks associated with long-gestation infrastructure projects. These regulations include higher provisioning during construction phases and classification of delayed projects as non-performing assets. However, banks and NBFCs fear these rules may hinder project viability and impede India's capital expenditure momentum. The Supreme Court has ruled that interest-free or concessional loans given by banks to their employees will be considered fringe benefits or amenities and therefore taxable. The court argued that these benefits are unique to bank employees and are in the nature of a perquisite, thus liable to taxation. The court upheld the income tax rule but deemed the fixation of SBI's interest rate as the benchmark to be neither arbitrary nor unequal exercise of power. Well-heeled Indians betting on blank check firms, the Wall Street term for special purpose acquisition companies or SPACs, have started receiving notices from the tax department. On the back of a raft of information shared by Bermuda, which, like Cayman Islands, is a preferred jurisdiction for incorporating SPACs, the Income Tax Department has served notices to at least 4 people in the last 10 days. SPACs are formed solely to raise capital by inviting investors in a pre-listing offering with the aim to acquire a stake in an existing, primarily unlisted operating company. Later, the target company can merge with the publicly traded SPAC and become a listed entity on large bourses like the New York Stock Exchange. SPACs, which became popular in 2019-20, caught the attention of several Indian high net worth individuals searching for new investment avenues. Akasa Air maintained its leading position in the monthly punctuality rankings with an average daily on-time performance of 89.59% for April, according to data from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. In March, the airline, with a fleet of 24 planes, achieved the highest average daily online time performance of 89.5%, according to the same data. AIX Connect achieved the second highest on-time performance in April at 82.18%. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.